Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. This is now going to be interesting. Over the last few days we haven't really had significant movement, just a little bit of volatility up and down. My wave count hasn't changed at all. I still give it a chance that it's in an uptrend. I'm currently counting the move down here in a wave as a wave 4. As an ABC structure, I'm going to adjust that slightly now, but only the sub wave count. And as long as we're holding here the orange support range, the overall focus can be on higher. I would set everybody on high alert now though, because we are now at a really decisive point for silver. The idea is that silver turned around here on the 9th or the 10th of March, put a wave 2 low in place, and since then has been rallying and could in the third wave rally way higher, above $30, no problem. However, we need to see a break above the pivot, above the previous wave 3 high of the lower degree, and that is at $26.10. A break above that level would, for me, confirm that we are in the heart of a third wave rally. Yeah, basically carry on here and finish off this yellow third wave of the third wave. So it would be a third of a third wave rally. So it would be quite bullish. However, before that happens, the first of all condition for that is that we hold the $22.90 level, because either it is a 1, 2, 3, 4 or a 1, 2, 1, 2 setup. That's possible as well. So a deeper pullback is possible, but then below 22.90 or 22.91, I would actually change my view. Would be looking for something a little bit more bearish maybe, but until then the overall focus can be on higher. Now looking at the micro level here, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if this was an A wave, this is a B wave, and we now come down a little lower in C. This is really a key decision point now. Now it's not a problem. I mean, I count this as a wave 4 as long as we hold $24 basically. Below that level, I would explore that we have a 1, 2, 1, 2 setup. Only below that, I would explore something more bearish. But this is now critical because I think this spike looks like a corrective structure. So probably a B wave top, and we could now come down here in wave C. Okay, so there's a few things to mention. Of course, it could be that the previous count, let me go back, so that we had something like that, and wave C got finished here, and this was some kind of a leading diagonal, but it's less likely. So as long as we stay here below the last swing high at 25.92, I think we have to assume a bit lower for the C wave, and then we have possible support levels. Let me just change that. We have possible support levels at $24.52, $24, $23.58, and $22.91. This is now critical. If the pullback now is corrective, it could rally straight away. If the pullback is going to be impulsive, a deeper C wave is unfolding. Target for that C wave, measure the length of the A wave, we go to the high of the B wave. We've got a couple of targets here. So the other ones are support, but we look at extension targets for the C wave. First target would be the 1-to-1 ratio at 24.33, and the second target, the 1.618 extension at 23.35. So overall, my focus here for silver remains higher, but it all depends on, because we're just moving sideways, the range breakout. Yeah, so a break above the B wave high would, in my opinion, put the direct breakout to the upside in favor, and then a break above the wave 3 high here at $26.10 will confirm that, and we can rally. I think I wouldn't be surprised towards $30 and maybe beyond. A break below the last swing low here at around 24.50 would not be bearish, but it would most likely lead to a deeper pullback. And I gave you the key support and resistance areas. Bear in mind that we've got the moving average coming up here as well. That's around 23.26. I think there's the 50. Yeah, the 50-day moving average. Quite a relevant moving average. We can also check where do we actually have the 20 and the 100. They are also quite relevant. So let's check the 20-day moving average. They are good trend filters though. So see, we're currently holding just above the 20-day moving average. To be honest, we've been dancing around it for a few days now, but that is currently at $25.11. It's not really respected though at the moment by the price. And then we have the 100 is quite relevant as well. The 100-day moving average will most likely be a bit lower. So yeah, but it's also around 23.20. So that's where we have the 50 and the 100. So there should be plenty of support down there. We'll see if the market reacts to it. That's my update about silver at the moment. I hope you will like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.